Here's another easy word that is pretty useful, and luckily it's easy to learn. It's just with.
With.
Com.
Yeah, in Portuguese, com. Pão com queijo.
Pão com queijo. So bread with cheese.
Yeah, there's an expression and it goes pão, pão, queijo, queijo. What you see is what you get.
Okay.
Pão, pão, queijo, queijo.
What do you write with?
Eu escrevo com uma caneta. Eu escrevo com uma caneta.
And it's similar when you're talking to somebody, you speak with them.
Nós falamos com ele.
Ele.
Ele. What if it's you talk to me?
Oh.
Comigo.
If you talk to yourself. Eu falo.
Falo comigo. It's interesting because you say eu falo com ele. But if I want to say that I talk with myself or with you, that com is also there, but it's in another word, inside another word. I talk to myself would be eu falo comigo. Comigo. You see the com there? And if I say I talk with you, I would say eu falo contigo.
Right. And notice that the M from con is converting into an N when there's other letters that come after it.
But it's basically there.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, the pronunciation is the same, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then if you want to talk about us, for example, you talk to us, tu falas conosco.
Tu falas conosco.
You don't say com tu,
Com mim.
com mim, com eu.
You don't say tu falas com eu.
We just have to remember to use these special words because it will be incorrect if we say com and then the other words separately.
Boa sorte com isso.
Contamos contigo.
Tu falas com o homem. Tu falas com o homem.
Tu falas com o homem.
Tu falas com o homem.
Eles falam contigo.
Os meninos falam com a mulher. Os meninos falam com a mulher.
Os meninos falam com a mulher.
Os meninos falam com a mulher.
When you start having more conversations in Portuguese, remember that perfection is usually the enemy. When you're studying, of course, it makes sense to learn the right way to say things, but when you're speaking in real life, it's usually better to say it wrong than to not say anything, or switch to English. You'll probably get your meaning across even if the grammar or pronunciation are a little bit off. Don't be afraid to take a guess and make mistakes. Later, when you're back in study mode, you can focus on these details that are more challenging for you. Just don't let perfection stop you from actually communicating.